Hello and welcome to the EzStamp software tutorial. EzStamp will run on PCs with XP, Vista, or Windows 7, both the 32 and 64-bit editions. EzStamp is a powerful tool to inventory, track, and manage your stamp collections. It's a great way to document your collection for insurance purposes or just to create a permanent record to value it so you and your family know what you have. EzStamp has the largest repository of stamp images and data available, with over 255,000 stamps listed and over 205,000 color images and 210 complete databases available. Our images are all scanned by us to ensure color accuracy and easy identification. When you first start EzStamp and open a country file, United States in this case, you will see the main screen for data entry as you see here. Notice the Scott number field where you can type in the Scott number to retrieve or inventory your stamps. Also note the grades area where you can select the grade and quantity and other details like purchase price or cost and individual comments for each grade entered. I'll now show you how easy it is to inventory any stamp. Let's begin with Scott number 573, a beautiful US stamp. We type in 573 in the Scott number field and hit enter. The stamp image is instantly retrieved and the relevant information is recalled from the database, such as market values listed down here and the descriptions. Let's indicate that we have a very fine never hinged copy. So there's our very fine mint never hinged. Just all you have to do is select the row and then click on the blue check mark to save the stamp. That's it. That stamp has now been inventoried. Notice the green dollar sign indicating that this grade has been inventoried. That's all there is to it. If you had other grades such as a used copy, just select the grade and also save. So if we had a used copy, select the grade, click on the blue check mark, and now both those stamps are inventoried. Note the check mark now displayed next to the Scott number. This serves as a visual cue to indicate that you have inventoried this stamp. To jump to a different stamp now, we go back to the Scott number and enter a new number and hit enter. So if we want to retrieve B2, hit B2, hit enter, and there you go. Convenient navigation buttons on the toolbar allow you to navigate through the supplied data or only through the inventoried items in your collection. The blue arrows navigate through the supplied records. So if you just click here, you'll see that it goes through each of the supplied records. You can go backwards and forwards. The green arrows are used to navigate through stamps that you have already inventoried in your collection. Another very powerful feature only found in EzStamp is our thumbnail viewer. Available from the View menu, or you can hit F12 to activate it. Once the viewer is populated with images, you can hover over any image and you will see the details of that particular stamp in the panel down below. This is an extremely convenient way for browsing and searching for stamps. You can page forwards and backwards to get to the next or previous page of stamps. When you find a stamp to inventory, just double-click the image and bring it up on the main screen to be inventoried. So if we wanted to inventory number 676 now, just double-click on it and you're all set to go. Another unique tool in EzStamp is the Rapid Multi-Entry tool, which allows you to inventory consecutive groups of stamps very quickly. A huge time saver for inventorying large groups of stamps. Rapid Entry is accessed via the Edit menu. You will see a screen similar to the following. In this case, we're going to quickly enter all the stamps of the year 2004. And we'll fill in the form. So we'll now click Find to find all the stamps. 163 were found. Let's start the Rapid Multi-Entry. And we'll say that we have a mint never hinged copy of each one of each. Click Begin. And that's it. We now have inventoried all those stamps of the year 2004. EzStamp comes with many pre-supplied reports that detail all aspects of your collection. You can report on what you have in mint or used separately or both. One of the most popular reports is the Quick Stats reports, accessible from the Reports menu. And we'll just show everything. So here are all the stamps that we've inventoried so far. The report viewer is not only a report viewer, but it is also an editor. Once any report is displayed, you can print it or further edit it. You can show the images in the report viewer by using the F12 option. Just hit F12 and you'll now see that you can cycle through the images. You can quickly remove items from inventory as well. Any row or column can be removed from the report. Sometimes you just don't need all the columns to be printed, so just select the column and click the hide icon to temporarily remove it from the report. Many options are available in the report viewer, including the option to view results in the thumbnail viewer. So for example, if we wanted to delete all the stamps that we had just entered through our rapid entry, we would just simply select them all and click on the remove, and they're now gone. So if we rerun our Quick Stats report, there's what's left. If you want to hide a particular column, so let's say you weren't interested in the purchase price, select that row, click on the H icon, and it's now hidden, and you could print it. If you want to see the results of this particular report in a thumbnail viewer, just go to Show Us Thumbnail View, and there they are. Another great tool is the Image Compare window, which allows you to easily compare two stamps to see the differences in color and other variations. You activate this by clicking on the Image Compare icon on the toolbar and show the current image in a separate window. So let's bring up number 573 again. Now we'll click on the Image Compare window. This shows us the currently displayed image. We're now going to advance to the next stamp so that we can see the color variety. Once you have the two stamps side by side, it's clear to see that the color difference is described as Carmen Lake. A similar tool is the Special Information window, which shows you high-resolution images to help you identify important varieties which you may not otherwise be able to identify or find. A few examples are number 220, so let's bring that one up. When you see this icon light up, when you click on it, it will show you what the variety is. In this particular case, it's the cap on the small 2, on the cap on the 2 variety. So here's the normal 2, here's the cap on the 2. Another variety is number 231. That's the broken hat variety. If you click on the information, you'll see there is the plate flaw, which is known as the broken hat. Many more varieties are available in the database. Okay, let's move on to a different area here. For U.S. plate number coil collectors, also known as PNC, EzStamp comes with a very comprehensive and complete listing of all U.S. PNCs. An example is Scott 1898, which we'll just bring up. You'll notice the PNC tab. There are the 4 known plate numbers for this particular stamp. We have previously inventoried that we had a strip of 5 and a strip of 1, each with different plate numbers. EzStamp has all 4 plate numbers listed for this stamp, and we also include values for strips of 5, 3s, and singles. All 210 EzStamp databases and growing are used in the same way in EzStamp. Let's open the Canada file and inventory the blue nose. So I'm going to scroll down to Canada. The blue nose is Scott number 158. And there it is. This is one of my favorite stamps. So if you had this stamp in, let's say, Mint Never Hinged Very Fine, again, very simple to inventory. Some of the most widely used tools in EzStamp are the powerful search tools built in. You've already seen the thumbnail viewer, but you can also search by almost any other criteria. You can search by denomination, you can search by year, you can search by year of issue, color, or just any keyword to describe the stamp. EzStamp has a comprehensive cross-indexing function built in, allowing you to search easily by simply describing something that you see on the stamp. Say, for example, your stamp had a picture of a ship, or plane, or train, or flower, or a fish, anything. Simply use the search by keyword from the search menu, and all the stamps matching the criteria you selected will be displayed. So let's do a search by keyword, and let's look for trains. So go here, type in trains, and let's show the results in the thumbnail viewer. Click find, and it found 26. We show them, and there we go. So if you see the stamp that you want, you double click on it, and again, you can just inventory it. One of the most widely used tools in EzStamp is our eLook technology, which can search for any stamp on eBay and Stamp Once or BidStart, the most popular online auction sites. So let's bring up number 158 again and activate the eLook, which is Control E. And now let's go search on eBay. And there you go. Instantly you can find the stamps that you want and make your purchases. This is a great tool to fill in any holes in your collection. Let's see if we can find any US stamps in there. So I'm going to open up the USA again. And one of my favorite stamps is 292, Cattle in the Storm. Let's see if there are any available for sale. And sure enough, there are. An important feature which we cannot stress enough is the built-in backup to protect any data you have entered. Simply hit F7 or go to File, Country Database Utilities, and click on Create Backup. Simply, you can back up just the current country, or you can back up all your countries. Doesn't matter. Just click on Backup. And it's done. That's it. So now if your hard drive crashes, you easily have a backup to restore from. We recommend backing up to your hard drive as well as to an external drive such as a memory stick or flash drive. This will protect you in case of a hard drive failure. EzStamp comes with a comprehensive manual detailing all aspects of the program in a PDF format. You can also right-click on most icons and labels for quick tips. So for example, if you wanted to know what the Q does, right-click on it and you can read and see what it does. The status bar at the bottom of the screen is also very useful for tips as to describing what certain things do. Technical support and customer service is a priority here at SoftPro. We provide the absolute best customer service in the business. We've been doing this for over 20 years. Simply email us or call us at 705-254-6201 and we will promptly answer any questions you may have. EzStamp can be purchased from our website at www.ezstamp.com. If you are using a different product and are unhappy with the program or lack of support, we can import the data from any other software you have and save you many hours of time so you will not have to re-enter your collections. A free demo version of EzStamp is also available from our website. Again, going to our help system, just click on help here. And here's our context sensitive help. And again, it's all described here. There's also a comprehensive manual, which I'll just load now. Again, you can scroll through that and read it at your leisure. Future videos for EzStamp will demonstrate the ability to automatically create albums and album pages with the use of our AlbumGen software and EzStamp. I'll give you a very quick demo of the capabilities of AlbumGen and EzStamp now, but a full tutorial will be uploaded soon. So to activate EzStamp and AlbumGen together, all you need to do is left click on this icon here, and then switch over to AlbumGen, which I already have running. Hit F2. And it will automatically import the image, draw the right size box, and then you can move it around and design your page as you like. This is doing it one at a time. A really powerful feature in EzStamp occurs when you multi-export. So if you right-click on this icon here, you'll get the help. If you shift and left click. Now you can export a range of numbers. So we're going to export numbers 811 to 834, which I believe are the Prexis. Click on Find, go to Export, and now you switch back to Album Gen, Control F2, and there we go. So we've now built an entire page. You could have easily done the entire US database and printed out your old, and designed your own album. We hope you've enjoyed this brief tutorial. If you have any questions, just let us know. We're here to help.